Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. It is Update Monday. Okay folks, here we go. Here's the social media sites you can visit me on. Check me out on all these sites and we're going to get started with this Update Monday. It is November. It is November 4th, 2019. It is Monday and it's Update Monday. And it is the start of North Carolina week. We are going to be working on North Carolina the entire week long. There's still going to be a building techniques video. It's going to be moved to Saturday. And there's still going to be Warhammer Kitbashing Wednesday where I'm working on the servitors. I should have all the camera issues fixed. But here we go. We are North Carolina it up. This is Trumpeter's 1/350th scale North Carolina. And this week we're going to break it up. If you look at what's on the table now, I have the hull. I haven't gotten any more done on it other than checking some alignment and some fitting things. And I think we're gonna work out okay. I think everything's going to turn out okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this on this week. And then we can start working on the photo etch on the top. We're going to spend tomorrow doing the doors for the photo etch that we talked about on Thursday in the live stream. We're going to start taking off them doors. I'm going to talk about how to do that tomorrow. And then Wednesday is going to be Warhammer, Kitbash Warhammer Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we'll be probably working on some of the photo etch guns, maybe doing a 5-inch 38 caliber gun with the resin combo and the brass barrels, and maybe also some 40mm Bofors. And Friday will be Feedback Friday, or a random video, depending on how much feedback I get or need by Friday. And then we'll have a little bit of tank stuff on the weekends. Some stuff. So this is going to be the new build schedule for a little bit, and then I'll get back to different projects every day of the week. But right now, this is going to be it. We're going to work on a project for a week, and then we're going to randomly pick another project to work on for that week. So that way, you actually get to see some progress getting done, and I don't have like 8 projects just slowly getting done. The build review of the King Tiger will be done in the background, and I will release that in a build review final video coming up very shortly because I'm already onto the turret. So, starting the turret anyways. So, when that gets built, I'll do a final build review video on that and let you know my final thoughts and recommendations and any changes I would recommend making. So, now let us take a look here. This isn't going to be a very long update video. I do want to show you something else that I have received. So I'm going to put the North Carolina up there. And I have received this on loan from my hobby store. So I'm going to be doing a review on this. It'll go out maybe today or tomorrow. It is a P51D-5 Mustang from Edard. It is their Profi pack. It has 6 different styles in it. It is on loan from my local hobby town. And if you guys want to see this built as an aircraft on the channel, let me know and I'll see if I can get a copy of it. But basically we're gonna break this open later, and we're gonna look at it and do a quick review of the sprues, peruse through the instructions and see what this looks like. This is a fairly new kit, guys. It took me a little bit. I asked for a while saying, hey, I want to do a review of this kit, and it's took them a while to actually get a copy. They released a limited edition at a show a couple months ago, 4 or 5 months ago maybe, and they all sold out, and then we were just waiting for them to release the other variants. So this is what we got. There's going to be some nice photo etch in there. and things like that. Also coming up, we have some of these 1/350th scale aircrafts. We have some Douglas Dauntless dive bombers, and then North American B-25B Mitchells. These are the ones that were on the Doolittle raid, so that'd be cool just to sit on an aircraft carrier deck. It doesn't have to be the Hornet, because that model's super expensive and hard to find. So I just thought they were cool. They were cheap, and I thought they were cool to get. So we're going to take a look at these. There's supposed to be 10 of them in here, and there's supposed to be 10 of these Dauntless dive bombers. So, and I have some Avenger torpedo bombers coming, some Hellcats, and also some Kingfisher float planes that are going to be for the North Carolina. They're going to be for this, because this comes with 2, but it was supposed to have 3. 1 right here, 1 on each of the catapults, and then 1 right here, stored right here. So I want to actually show that in place. So that's going to be that. So I want to have 3 of those. I believe it actually comes with 6 of those. So we'll be able to check that out. I got some hobby supplies here. It's a hobby store. They had their re-grand opening at the new location. And I got some of these Mr. Almighty clip sticks. They're pivotable, and there are different clips in here. So they might be good for painting and sticking them in some styrofoam. So we could probably take a look at these right now. So let's just open this right here. Let's take a look at what we got. Yeah, let's zoom in here. Sorry for moving the camera so hard. Let's see what we got. So we have little clips right there. Little clips. They're clear, so they're going to be hard to focus in on. But you can, very carefully, you can pivot them on these sticks with points. There's a point on there, so you can stick it in styrofoam and get a good angle for painting it. I'd be gentle on bending them because they're super tight, which is good, so they're not going to fall. But there's 2 different, there's a wider version, and they're all like snapped together, stuck together. But there's a wider version, and then there's the narrow version. You get, I believe, 9 of each, because there's 18 total. So I know I saw these, they were cheap. What did they cost? $17. So $1 a stick, basically. But once you pop them off, they're good. But it'd be good for painting little parts and things like that. So then you can stick them in some styrofoam, because that's what I use all my old styrofoam for. Use it for sticking in there and painting. I also picked up, which was pretty cool, it's this right here. I'll show you the tool in a second. It's this Mr. Easy Nipper from Mr. Hobby. It's a G-tool. GT97 is what it's called, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a pair of fingernail clippers that have some close cutting, flat cut sprue nippers. So if you have a little bitty piece you need to get into a corner or something on a sprue, these work pretty good. I've tried them out a couple times. They're pretty nice, so if you need to do like a little piece or something, you're good to go. So, and it appears to be these can be sharpened, so that's pretty neat. And they close back up. If you want to travel with your sprue nippers, if you want to work on something, these would probably be allowed on a plane or something instead of sprue cutters. So that's going to do it for this update. So remember, it's North Carolina week. Stay tuned for some cool stuff. There'll be some live streams and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Here's all the links. You can visit me at all of these locations. You can also visit my Patreon page to support the channel and help us get more kits and do more things. As you can see, I was able to upgrade the recording setup with Patreon's help. So with even more help, I can do even more things. You can visit me here. You can visit my Patreon. The link's in the description below. There's extra stuff for those who visit Patreon. But that's going to do it for this stream, or this video. Not a stream, sorry. Thank you for watching. And for Crazy Gamer Models, I'm the Crazy Gamer. You have a fantastic day.